Tax Refund Update January 7th, 2022. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. I am back with the latest numbers on the amount of regular tax refunds and amended tax refunds that are still waiting to be completed. Sadly, this is where we are. The IRS still is processing 2019 and 2020 tax returns. So we are going to go over those numbers as well as what happens when you file your 2021 tax return while you're still waiting on your 2020 tax return to be completed, and sharing some useful IRS numbers. So make sure you stay tuned till the very end. But before we begin, as always, make sure to check out the different playlists pinned in the comment section: the regular tax refund playlist, the child tax credit playlist, as well as the playlist on how to avoid tax refund delays in 2022. Now, where is your tax refund? We are starting with the last week's update. But before we begin with last week's update, remember this information is being shared from irs.gov. You can find it there as well. I did create a video step by step on how you can locate this information if you choose to. So make sure you check the playlist for that video. Now, recapping December 28, at that time, the IRS reported 6.3 million unprocessed individual tax returns. Now, with January 7, 2022 update, the number did decrease a bit to 6 million unprocessed individual tax returns. And unprocessed individual tax returns does include tax year 2020 returns with errors and those that require a manual review or correction due to the recovery rebate credit amount or validation of the 2019 income used to figure your earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit. So the number did decrease by 0.3. Please comment in the comment section and let us know if you did receive your tax refund. Now, moving on to what you should do while you're waiting. In most instances, the IRS is reporting no further action is needed, but you can continue to check the Where is My Refund tool for updates, or you can check your IRS account online. The IRS states if you did receive acknowledgement that they did receive your tax return, all you need to do is make sure if you receive any mail from the IRS requesting additional information, make sure you respond as quickly as possible. Now, as for the amended tax returns, the last week numbers were at 2.3 million unprocessed forms 1040X, and unfortunately that number is still, as of January 1st, 2022, that number is still at 2.3 million unprocessed forms 1040X. The IRS is still processing those amended tax returns very slow. They are reporting it is taking 20 weeks or longer to complete the amended tax return. And you can check the status of your amended tax return on the Where is My Amended Return tool. You can also call them, check the playlist for the video on how to check the status of your amended tax return. I did give out that number in that particular video. All right, now moving on. What happens when you file your 2021 taxes while you're still waiting on your 2020 taxes to be completed? I did go to the irs.gov website and check the Q&A on the Where is My Refund tool. So here is the answer to this specific question right here. Can I use Where is My Refund to check the status of a refund on a prior year return? And here is what the IRS is stating. Where is My Refund will display the status of your most recently filed tax return within the past 2 years. So from the answer, we are to assume that once you file your 2021 tax return, that is what will start to show on the irs.gov website, the most recently filed return. So for your 2020 return, you more than likely will have to call to check the status of that return, or check your transcript online to check the status of your 2020 return, because it is stating that the Where is My Refund tool will have your most recent file return. Now, if you haven't filed your 2021 taxes yet, because the IRS has not opened up or given an official start date, so the information that's on the irs.gov website right now should still be your 2020 tax return information. Now, when can you start checking? Once you do file your 2021 taxes, it says within 24 hours after the IRS receive your electronic refund, or 4 weeks after you mail a return, that is when you can start checking the status. Now, does the Where is My Refund always display your refund status, showing the different stages of return, like receive, refund approved, or refund sent? The IRS states no, not always. Sometimes when they are still reviewing your return, it will display instructions or explanation of what they are doing. All right. Now, the Where is My Refund tool is updated, the IRS states here, once a day, usually at night, and that do not need to check it more than once a day. Now, like I mentioned before, once you do file your 2021 taxes, you will probably have to call the refund hotline to check the status of your 2021 tax return. And that refund hotline is 1-800-829-1954. You know, when you call the refund hotline, you will need to know the exact amount of your refund, your filing status, as well as your social security number. Now, here is the other important IRS phone numbers listed on the irs.gov website. It states that the phone lines are open 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. local time. You have the individual filers phone number, 1-800-829-1040. You have the business number, you have the nonprofit telephone number here, the estate and gift taxes number, you have the excise taxes number, international service, hearing impaired. Also, they have a number if you need Spanish. There's the number listed here for Spanish speaking callers. And if you want to make an appointment in one of the local taxpayer assistance office, you can call this number here, 844-545-5640. Okay. Now, for the amended tax returns, again, you can check the status on the Where is My Amended Return tool, and it takes up to 3 weeks for your amended return to show up in the IRS system. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment below and let us know if you did receive your tax refund. All right. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Come back for all of your tax refund updates. Make sure you check out the Motivational Monday playlist. Make sure you check out the playlist on how you can get your credit report free from all 3 major credit bureaus. And I will see every one of you again very soon. And I'm hoping that your tax refund is on the way. Bye-bye, everyone.